to my channel and I hope you guys are doing amazing. So today I did a DIY facial at home. So this one is like super good because the ingredient over here is papaya, and as you could have seen in the beginning of the video, my skin turned out really glowy and my skin also brightened a bit. So for the first time use, the results were really amazing. So if you guys want to check out and you want to know कि ऐसा क्या था and how did I did it, so keep watching, and without further ado, let's kickstart the video.
Step number 1 is to use a cleanser. So for today's video, I'm using milk as a cleanser. And guys, always remember, हम जब भी अपने face पे कुछ भी करते हैं, we have to first of all clean it up. So milk is the best cleanser out here at home. So you just need 2 tablespoons of milk, dab some cotton into it and start applying it onto your face. So don't be too harsh on your skin, बहुत ही light movements रखने हैं, and do not forget your neck because we always tend to forget that. And you're gonna see your cotton pad will turn a bit dark. So that's it, that means you are doing a good job. Mine did turn a bit. Now we're going to move on to step number 2, which is scrubbing. So आपको पता है, for today's video, papaya is the main ingredient. So you need 8 cubes of papaya overall for the entire facial. So just make it into a paste. Now then you need 2 tablespoons of rice powder to grind कर लेना rice, and that will become to a rice powder, and then add the papaya paste into it and mix the entire mixture. Your scrub would be ready. Now why am I using rice today? Because it lightens up your skin, works in your blemishes, dark spots and dark circles as well. While papaya खुद भी एक natural exfoliator होता है, so it is gonna work on your dead skin cells. Step number 3 is to take steam. So I would be taking steam for 5 minutes, and I will be taking steam from this particular machine or device, you could say. So I do not prefer taking it on gas because I don't find it safe, but if you want to take it on gas, then you can. So why am I taking steam? So that my pores open up a bit more and they become receptive for the next few steps that I'm going to do in the facial. So that is why we are doing the steam. Now let's move on to our step number 4, which is doing a papaya lemon face massage. So iske liye you need half a lemon, squeeze it into a bowl, and then you have to add the papaya paste into it, mix it up, and your kind of gel mixture is ready. Now आपको बहुत generously apply करना it onto your face, and then you have to massage it into circular upward motions. Remember that, very important. Now papaya actually helps in improving your skin tone by reducing dark spots and blemishes. And do you know guys, papaya actually helps in the production of collagen, which would make your skin soft, firm and supple. And lemon ke liye to I don't need to give any proof, because lemon actually works on your dark spots, blemishes and dark circles and make your skin lightened and brightened and a bit glowy. So just make sure you are massaging in upward directions. Do not forget your jawline. Just press onto the sides of your forehead so that आप relaxed and stress-free feel कर सके. So just give yourself a nice massage जो कि आप सैलो में experience करते हैं. Now let's move on to our step number 5, which is using a mask. So in today's video, I'm using wheat plus papaya plus rose water mask. So आटा, wheat flour हम बहुत ignore कर देते हैं. But guys, it has a lot of benefit. It has anti-aging properties into it. Plus papaya also has anti-aging properties into it. So when you use this mask, your skin becomes more soft and supple, and it fights the free radicals जो कि हमारी skin को age करते हैं. So therefore this mask is really nice. And rose water will make your skin glowy, will add some rosiness to your skin, and you will love the effect. So I let the mask stay onto my face for 10 minutes, so it will not purely dry out, and you do not have to dry it out literally, because then it will become like very hard onto your skin. So just remove it before it gets cracks. Now this is the final result. So my skin does look brightened up, and you cannot see it, but I really feel softness and suppleness. I did had some red spots onto my face, but abhi wo lightened lag rahe hain. So for the first time, such a good result is so nice. And this is a DIY facial, so I loved DIY papaya facial. Do leave your comments down below. Did you like it or not? Would you try it or not? And I'm going to see you guys from the next one. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.